How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out super nice 67 Camaro. Car was built in California, spent most of its life out west. It's been redone in its factory, Granada Gold. All the original body panels, original floors, everything in the car. Super clean, slick, straight car. Front bumper is the original. It's got a little bit of patina to it, but it is nice shape. They did add the cowl hood to the car, which we do have the factory standard hood. Tell you, we got a lot of paperwork on this car. We got the factory rally wheels off of it. Rear bumper is also the original. The taillight housings, they look to be original and excellent shape. Tell you, all the panel fitment, everything on this car is very, very nice. It's real slick down the sides. It's got disc brakes up front. This is a numbers matching 327, 300 horse. It's been rebuilt. It's got your factory air conditioning. It's updated with an aluminum radiator. It's got your power disc brakes, got your power steering. Super, super neat car. It's got the deluxe interior. It's got a strato bucket in the front. Pretty rare. Headliner is excellent. All the seat covers and stuff look like they've been replaced at one time. Got all your factory front and rear seat belts. It's got the fold down armrest, makes it really cool. It's just like bucket seat backs, but it's got the bench bottom. You can ride 3 people in the front if you'd like. It's real comfortable to drive with the armrest. You can see we have a bunch of restoration photos, original owner's manual, a bunch of the original paperwork, protecto plate, jack and spare, got their factory air cleaner there. Tell you, it's just a super, super neat car. The matching gold interior is real nice. It's not hot in the sun. They did put an AM FM cassette Kenwood stereo in it. It's got power antenna. All the carpet's been replaced. Really, really nice car, guys. Jams are super nice on the car. It's got the factory dual exhaust transverse muffler. Car drives out perfect. It's just a super, super nice little car, guys. Got a little rumble out the back. Again, it's a numbers matching car. It's not been all cut up. Very, very nice car, folks. You had to bear with us. The sun kind of keeps coming and going today. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Tell you, with all the options that car has, is just really neat to find. Good car, collector quality. Have a great day, folks.